This is a confirmation video. Which is I'm looking at the Kwame Bafo Abronye, Abronye BB chairman or police for NSM. Akodi police for anyway say to turn no any investigations. Any other in this video, the better won't come up. Now, Mamu, a deba de kwana call saying arrest. A deba then Abronye aye into police for akọ table no as number omo as you better won't come out to the wide amame. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah blog media. Best was any demo. Over like video, no down, subscribe button, snap by click notification, for latest updates. Now better why you and your mammy, ever comments, as mess also baswa. No one should for so any be ashe. To back ya Abronye Obi, I said, Mahama Memumu, or more tough time on the media, while Sir almost almost Abronye Kasa. The attitude as I can tell any Captain Smart, Pepe, send a Captain Smart, any Kevin tell you could do near dinner, a trouble a coup for the Namu no. Sebi ana bring this so ede ni ede na akodos ekasa or kasa masa on how my will be a masa Abronye kasa until will be a case any IGP onya IGP dia na we na sa akoda wo do so ne pay ke kana adwen kire IGP pa said on one kasa ope na obeke ye kwa akotia ba election e ba ye no ana through the corridors of gossip me tete from him say iyokofo serve Abronye with invitation letter say omra omasoye because omu hia no Emma but I did see as Abronye that's what the show is. I was like, hey, I did TikTok is for no. Most of the agenda be against Abronye and now said they. What I say, Emma, and no ethical. And then one I said there be adding no crave. Say Abronye Crano, he's seeking asylum. What I say, just oh baby, Edwin no upwards because also now on the police for Edwin to the move penachino. 8 or baby, Edwin how protected. Or try crack up Abronye na all pair. Bianco baby, or baby didn't go see Emma medians grano and no air trendy ya nebusia and no sanding and a poppy up except police for Abronye Emma because of that no. Omako ready Moses Abo and a MPP National Youth Organizer on no tiny Abronye a fine because on a youth training it's not on Abronye a fine. A the police for any some mask armed men be echo ready Moses Abofie. Na just hwe kwa bafa because say e bia Abronye aba no ho no because madin ka kwa Abronye fi man koto no man ko hu no e don nim say bia no waba Moses aboho e ba be sie e ho ndeno nko ready Moses efie emra ama Moses kran e betirem ekwan a to the police for e fast e ba ho no mo ene ade
say who you wanted ana
senior everyone
na media obi anum de me the way I meet here me obi am do obi a obi am very humble but many na head ade ba kwa me pen say ekiti me pay wo me life mo. I'm not wanted. I'm a free person.
Na no kwesa posi for aba wakachi ho abebutu nyoma ni wo fi ho.
Penyah ma me some platform na me tia Ghana for na.
Okay, so na be ya no message say obeba ye page anu abehwe enkomo ayedi ehun sunsanso a yetio.
Na ya woka no sabe Andra around 2:17 p.m. and my call on a friend say I was a police for big dinner I'm seeing any more degree. And I'm sister among here na no them me gare. Before me no na me ti ya bomb me door no boom 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 open. I'm saying call on mon from back. The jack me no na ba ku afro the fence wall. And I will feed me. And I will be mad. I can not also full fence wall. To me, you don't know what I know that. They offer some of Mama. And on Bible bomb the door not there. Open. I'm saying, who is that? Almost police. I'm saying, open. Who is that? I'm saying, police. The Baku P. The glass door on the Baku. And I made free one bedroom in Ambai.
Okay, General, my mema phone number. So that's Moses Abo ni fear a posi phone a call and Pachobra just on some Adom FM page. We how the whole thing is happening over here. Posi phone and the judge the whole baby or more a year or more money to uncommon to mine.
It's a and told me and I'm a busy. Now I'm on some people fetching me that. We see him. I'm so for what? I'm going to search for him. Or be on free. And I'm so. What means the near bonnet. And I mean, there be I mean, hiding there. From over a moment, no search it down in the house. And a next house, no see a maybe animal also. Cause search you. A next house, no see now. A bit more of a fake moco. Don't go search you now on by and maybe more. Share garden, if you need to share that room, so no one want to need now. I'm some sort of I'm catch and say, I'm more real Abronye. Man, police say, Abronye is with me, they hiding. Abronye, because of the DC, let me feel no baby. I'm sorry, Abronye ministry. Now, we won't hear. Over 1 year, we come in farming, me some the one of me pick a big on them see and yet car win Abronye. I'm sorry, is one of the cars that me use now, and yet Abronye car. Me Abronye me who until we know more cars are now, almost in a car we share. Ram is my car. Abronye near Hannibal. On Palmer cars, on the beer. Media work animal. The beer could give me card or more than give you a carnival. So I won't get past no more cassette and one. To me, no more now. I'm only than cassette and a monco and I'm so much in a monco. So I'm going to phone to the mom. I post you 4 by saying, and I bow. They are more than 50. Plus a bit more at Motusu, and I'm going to tundra train nearby. Opposite for more than saying more than 15. Say, Abronye will fee. I'm a new one in Tiago. Senior. It's almost for BB Koyana. Amount from BBA, amount from Mutanto coming. The almost brought search in 2 houses now. And at the end of the day, we almost see Abronye car. Now I'm saying, any car. And a car.
So what I say? Emma, if we are not being media, I be who say any Abronye or we connect you be who Abronye afa. No, be who be Abronye afa, or be who ain't no crammer. Before you begin commercial near say Mahama really say be to Abronye. Mahama so who in fact only holding Mahama responsible.
What's going on? Come on, person mo kasa mwana. And some men and this von come President Mama, when he was in office, used the word, the vulgar word, baloney. He used those words. Sammy Jemfi, Sam George, why? President Akufo-Addo tolerated all of them. He tolerated all of them because we want to build a democracy. I didn't understand, and this is what they can't tolerate offensive dissent. I didn't. And who Kasa they was say they want to cow you down. I want to assure the president, anything that happens to Abronye, because his life is under threat, or say one set to be friend.
Okay, so Oba just on the same page. I won't say quite on far some Moses Abo, a posy phone. Okay. Oh, so that's
you see how he jumped into the house.
Yeah. Okay. So quite on far some Moses Abo fee and ye challenge. Just come. Just on the same page.
This thing must stop. I did be a best see Moses Abo. Anything that happens to Abronye, we hold President Mama responsible. Because now his life is under threat. We are petitioning embassies. Sabonye who can't, ye baby son Muja, every President Mama. What is happening? And the man Kasa. Oh, me the Makasa. Oh, me the Makasa.
Onen Kasa men Kasa, but talk responsibly.
Mami, ye Makasa. Who criticize them?
Should anything happen to Abronye, Ombe hold Mahama responsible. E was any say ene by news so Abronye DC. Aban ensa kan. I say aban. Numekuo miensa. Enkofu ko miensa. Ana akwachi Abronye. CID EOCO EOCO eka ho bi. Ana IGP Inspector General of Police. Libekuo miensa we ana akambom akwachi Abronye DC. Ezi amno say the Abronye ewo police for akachi.
Mr. Mike.
Yeah, boss.
Sir.
What I say? I'm a for everybody say, Nana Abronye kwa den waye. Den na chairman aye into no. Ya kwachi Abronye as it stands now no there. Statement enyamai. What I say, the cause of the arrest in statement and gasa enyamai, but I'm unfortunate say Abronye nsem bia o keka no be obekaya in opposition. Abronye like say Mahama, Mahama anyem ni spokesperson be a wife.
Na yabaye hu fi o. Yabaye hu fi. Yet the Krama and a former president be onyem ni spokesperson yire. E Kroma.
Former president.
Yes, yet the Krama
in this republic.
In this republic, onyem ni spokesperson yire.
Ni spokesperson yire.
Yes, onyem no. E Kroma.
E Ghana.
And Domama na yes, sir.
Oh, are you serious about this?
Master, I'm telling you, send the spokesperson here.
The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben.
Master, Pogchem and maybe from 20.
Because when you say John Jinapa is the spokesperson, Ben Duche Mala is the spokesperson,
and
Mahama Yarga is the spokesperson,
and your Mahama Yarga.
Neha,
Mama Yarga do Chefri.
Aka John Jinapo.
Madam, I come say, John Mahama, the spokesperson here. On you know what
dance CD.
Oh, Master, more than just a member see your men for a metro.
No, okay, what dance
I may catch no we. What from and I'm so much here by a here. Some when I and some hole.
Your throw woman, what family?
Or family.
I want minimum.
To so.
Found cocoa.
Roman. And this gurus mean them call as he said. Massa, I want them to call to we are. But there are some cocoa to call to the normal for 3 patch. May say, some was your son with the platforms on about Mary Prakon. Baumia, on any sports person be a year and Kodayo. Baumia, on any sports person, you be uncle die. Baumia, and him the Eddie be a year. But Mobuni Panama the neighbor. On one him the sports person here. Our piano within the NDC.
Obianim within the NDC. Obiano with the deputy minister compensating. SCT assembly the deputy minister compensating.
A compensating spokesperson.
Yes. So what you want to say about Mahama cannot move. So much back can quash a simple groma. And some back catch and on to me move. So 2 months yakano. That will be ready. A crap man be an white chronic Cassanyane, creating be our by a Nisu Bema, and then Nisu communicator, Ebini and Dissimo. What politics is that? Small boy, 30 years old. Oh, Sabomiawi Proco. Mamma now would your campaign man on yet to send you. Ni ed, ni what person you on Yemino, our chroma. On Yemino, what's that platform swap? One can't on kind on count. Talk about me, I will Proco. Bomia dear, Proco on me, and an ed the beer who are one Yemini hero. By Mahama Yemini ed the hero.
I see. Chairman,
what's it?
It's Akola way. Akola,
said there were one moment.
I want to back a call to.
I dear Courtois. Courtois, they are more beyond to make Casa Mahama Yemini Eddie. Make cut your neck.
My bonny aid exposed.
What I say? O can see me count. I'm on say challenge kwa CID ni. Obi antinga ni so wu nyina ba obetima ma o Mahama na appointees nya ba. Say obe so ma mo mu hwa papa mo obi antimnya na hwe.
Etimi ampo. Ah. Na me nyane o me omo mu dane o me Abronye. Eja wadwa.
Bodo enkan
me ye wura me o.
For date no.
David onkan.
Okay yeah.
550 million no wom. Say me need right to question. Yes.
Mr. Sante media man ye ho adwuma ye ne fe ne fa to sra menkan.
Me need right to say Mr. President sika na wa fa no wo hi.
Ye ne fe ra menkan.
That is the Ghana we are build. Me see international community nyina be show mumu. Say once you be anu be si kro mama o mo di arora no o ma demonstration. Me da me no omo nim say physically and spiritually omo kan to ko omo lusu nti ba bia omo keka ko no de me dwiri omo agu from flat.
Mr. Sadi Pacho ready now they are toso Abronye na BNI for eso mato mo sa friend say wase sika bi ye musa president Mahama sika na e wo henfa
omo ntiase
BNI for say wo mra enti na ready about Mr. Sadi Pacho
nanu ada wo frese BNI for nchim no Dabio Gordon nanu o share labor union for what statement o make here o say o minor
crime scene.
Yes, because Omani Sikano was criminally used.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
What punitive criminality
but
was their part?
Would me no ko be na ho enye yi.
I was a BNI.
Would me no ko be na ho enye yi.
Ono impune say a crime scene.
I was a crime scene.
What are you doing in a crime scene?
So what we superintendent over the crime scene.
Yes.
And one of that crime scene now.
And I'm say or say Omani Sikano criminals be use. Until I know the director of investigation. What na kroma atrone yetiana a national time and car say wow ube who said drip a machines no
Mon question no
money pakro director of investigation wa more
okay any until 21st February 2025 and then Benra
oh yeah they are trapping
me tell you what that no several vie and on was say DSA okay kwame bafo at Abronye Bruno regional chairman New Patriotic Party DSA invitation. I have been instructed by Director of Investigations of the National Intelligence Bureau to invite you to meet him on Wednesday 26th February 2025 at 10 hours at Kawukudi in the Greater Accra region to assist the Bureau to investigate allegations we leveled against His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. In the said allegations you leveled during an interview or movement in the morning, a breakfast show or movement TV hosted by Kwekuderu, you, Kwambafo at Abronye, alleged that John Dramani Mahama is hoarding 550 million cedis intended for the dismissed appointees at the Jubilee House. You further accuse the administration of corruption in the recruitment and revocation processes. Yours faithfully, Bono Regional Commander, Mr. Kweku Aferi. And it's Krata, the Abre, Papa Fabron, you say, was say, Sika, 550,000. Okay. Mr. Patron Medasi. Hey, I thought it was a joke. Yeah.
Me sana bisa say. Madness. A nipa over 100,000. I revoke woman and I tell me day. Why the money day? Me bisa I'm asking again say, Mr. President. Sika na nadu di ja o se fatua sa nkrofo no ka no. 550 million. Ghana city. Where the money? Where's the money? Massa, met me bisa 100 times. Na me can say, ma holding the money.
Emma 25 fail. You name. And some boy can for IGP. And then say associate OSP. So just say Abronye cannot be room. So I'm for just say these videos. Anna, I play role. I'm Abronye police for. Akwachine say omra me tire nsemu o was bet ma tire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Media Accra.